Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Psychedelic Kitten, and we're gonna jump back into Godot. Hopefully I remember at least something, because I think it's been a week since I've done this. But we are learning an RPG game to try to get the guy in here to move, basically. Um, so I try to mirror them a little bit. But in this one, if it loads in, here's my dude. And at some point, I'm going to learn Blender, so maybe I could make, I don't know, a style to go. But he can move a little, but I don't like the way, oh crap, I don't like the controls. And that's the next thing I'm going to figure out. Because right makes him go forward, back makes him go left, front makes him go right, and then left makes him go backwards, which is why I keep accidentally throwing him off the cliff. So yeah, and I got the video up. Let's see, where's your script, sir? There it is. Also, there was a couple things that I didn't understand when learning from this video. Like, he was able to do all this, but for some reason, I had to put this for the camera to actually see my guy again. Like, he was fine being seen up until a certain point, and then I had to put that in. It feels like there was something else. Well, I don't see it in this one. Maybe it's in the other one. So, yeah. Alright. Quit the project list. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Thank you. I don't think it's fully loaded in yet. Oh no, it's not. There it goes. I was like, wait, what? Something's off. And then this is the one we're doing. I'm gonna assume that I had to put that in for my guy because he's not as cartoony as this guy. Like, I don't mind a cartoon character, but I wanted one that was like more human-sized, kind of like the guy I'm using. Whether it's a cartoon or not, I could care less, but like, I didn't want like a short person. Y'all know what I'm saying, right? Okay, so where's his? Also, putting them in was different. Like, I couldn't get my guy to work until I updated to Godot 4.3. But he came with everything, an animation player and everything. My guy did not. Like, I can put the animations up to him, but it's just a whole different level of fuckery, I guess. Okay, let's get his... Whoops. Where the hell are you? Ah. No, this is same too. There was a part. Is it on this? No. I don't know. I don't know where it went. Okay. Well, it's fine. It's cool, it's cool, it's cool. Alright. I think it was this. Yeah, it was this part. Like, he could do all that, but for some reason, I struggled with this part a lot, and like I had to space it so far to where it was like by itself, and if it was up, it would give me a bunch of warnings or whatever. So I mean that was weird. But aside from that,
then I want to actually do something. What do I want to do? Well, I want to change my camera page.
we just went back to the camera. I don't want the camera.
The min.
Wait, what? Hold up, sir. I missed a spot. Here we go.
This will allow us, of course, these aren't the same number, but this will allow us to, adjust the movement based on sensitivity.
Okay.
Right. Now this won't actually do anything, so let's make these numbers do something.
Function. Move and slide. Why do I feel like something's off here? What did you do? Hold up. So here's the float. Maybe that's why I'm so confused. Half of it's gone. Here's the physics process. I'm so confused. No, this is a camera, so it would be... Is that my problem? Huh? Is it this? Okay, that looks more sense. that makes more sense. Okay, no wonder I was so confused. Alright, we were working on this, not the player. However, what it did with this didn't do with my other guy neither. Because after he put this, he was able to move or to delete the camera that's in here, and that would stay on him because there's not a camera in here anymore. But I couldn't do it with the other one. That's right. I remember that now. And then here's the function input void, because I had to move this down here for it to even accept it. I'm so confused. Alright, well, we'll just keep messing with it. So, yeah, so I have extra areas. What happens? Is that okay? Ah! No, it's not okay. Okay. Calm down. I was just making a point. So weird, but why? Okay, whatever. We just got extra areas. Like, I did everything he did. I don't know what the problem is. Alright. So we got 19 lines instead of 17 because mine wants to be an asshole, basically. But that's fine. It's fine. Okay, whatever. This is physics process error 19 and 5. Well, I ain't done yet, bro. Can I move that down and then move this over here? Yes, I can. Sweet. Delta. Float. I also don't understand the float thing yet. I forgot to look it up. And then it wants me to do this arrow thing. Void. That it didn't like that. Why did you not like that? And yours is fine. Wait, what? Okay, I was gonna say that can't be right. No. Crap. Okay, listen here. No? Expected closing after all arguments. What? Wait. No, that's right. Oh, okay. Hold on. Physics process. Delta float. Void. Seriously? But you're still pissed. Like, okay, expected indented block after lambda declaration. What the hell's a lambda? Could you speak English, please? That's not it. So you start there anyways. Alright. Okay, go on. I'll figure it out in a minute.
What we'll do here is we'll say camroot b is equal to
camroot v camroot v equals what the? We're snoozing. No, back that up. Can't believe that happened. I don't know why I always think you need to hold shift for equals. Okay, camroot v equals, go on. Clap? Clamp.
We're gonna clamp this.
Looked like it said clap at first. No. Clamp. What are we clamping? Oh, it does that automatically. This makes sense.
For
camroot. This also is kind of slightly confusing because he messed things up a lot. Get in the hole! But that's not. Can we add? Aha. Okay. I was like, you gotta be kidding me. I'm sick of fighting you already. Okay. I don't know why I forgot where that was at. Okay. Yeah, but this one's still pissed off. Like, why is it working for you and not me, sir? That's where the confusion lies. Because does that work? Ooh, but then that's pissed off. Ah! Crap. Well, that's fun. I totally screwed that up. Uh-huh, you're gonna make me do it again. Okay. Camera V equals clamp cam root. I may do that. V Alright. And then that's whatever. Figure out after he's done.
Degree to radian.
Okay, so it wasn't done. I got ahead of myself there. This? Aha. Deg to rad. Deg to rad. And then you want that.
Yes. Our cam be min.
Okay. So cam v min.
Two. Whoops.
Oh, you're not done yet.
I was
All
saying
right.
that. Two.
Oh, okay. So
Degree to radians.
you got cam v min deg to rad again. Ah, no, I didn't do it. Okay. Why is this so long?
But this time we'll do the cam v max.
Seriously? Okay. Cam v max. Longest piece of code that I've ever done. Oh, that's the wrong one. No, it looks like he has. Do you need that last piece or?
Alright, so this will essentially plan our.
How? How? Okay, hold on. Whoops. Yeah, I didn't like that. Whoops. Huh. Thank you. That's what I was trying to do in the first place. But you kept taking it up, you stupid. Okay. Whatever. I'm done with you.
V root between negative 55 degrees and 75 degrees. You'll see what this looks like in just a second when we actually make this work. So what we need to do to make this work is get node H, and this will be our horizontal. So we'll take the rotation of our Y.
All right. Get node H. Yo, bro, that's not what I meant to do. There we go. H. Dot rotation. Dot Y.
And we'll make it equal to alert F. So
What the hell does that mean? Equals letter F. The fudge? Alright.
alert float from its float. So the float that we want it to rotate, it's going to be its current rotation. So what I'll do is I'll copy this right here. So I want to.
That don't usually go very well for me, but we will give it a go. Wait, that's not me. My bad. That's me. Alright, so get node. So this. Copy. Paste. Did I do it? It looks like I did it.
Rotate it to am root h. Here we go.
Okay, he's getting a little confusing with the cameras. So Y cam root H. Alrighty.
Over a time of delta
Oh.
times h acceleration.
H. Oops. Did you say delta or is it supposed to look like that? I feel like that's wrong. Times H. Find out here. I hate that they use a star for times. Times H. Acceler. Yeah, that thingy.
I think I spelled delta wrong there. So
Yes, you did.
here we go.
Glad I know how to spell.
Now that
But all yours is fine. Why mine is still annoyed with me. What did I do wrong? Whoops. No. Oh wait. Was it fine? It is fine there? Okay, well why can't... Why is this not working?
that's right. Now
H dot rotation Y. Oh, I think I found the problem. Really? Delta times acceleration H why are you capped? Did I fuck up there? acceleration. I'm still not happy with that. Why is it not? Wait. Because I think this is not supposed to be there. So, camera H delta times so confused. Okay, there's delta times H acceleration. There, did we get it? Are we good? Thank you. Good lord.
I think I spelled delta wrong there, so delta. Here we go. Alright, now that that's right, now what I want to do is I want to actually copy paste this, and now I'll just
Copy. Paste. You're going to turn them into V's now, aren't you?
do the same thing for the V, but obviously the rotation for this will be on the x-axis, because if I'm rotating the vertical, I want to be doing the x-axis. Alright, so here, I'm going to do the same thing. So instead of the H rotation, I want the V rotation. Okay.
So is it supposed to be HV? Or are you screwing up again? I never know till the last minute. H. Why do you do that? Is there a way not to get you to do that? Because it's starting to frustrate me just a tad. Excuse me. So what was the point of copying and pasting it if you're just going to make me do everything over again? Whatever. HV. Because I don't know how to fix it yet. Oh, where'd you go? Okay. Anyways, HV dot rotation dot x equals lerp get node h/v. Oh, there's... Okay. It just wants to... Oh my lord. You're kind of pissing me off. dot rotation dot x slash cam root Are you kidding me? It's your problem, bro.
Of course, here I want the x rotation. Then here I want the v. V.
Okay. Cam root v delta times h acceleration. Holy crap, bro.
And then the v acceleration.
Oh. Did I not do that? Did I? No, it's still H. Please tell me you're fine, because that was a lot of bullshit I just went through. And you're not fine. What did I miss? Camera V X has a thing. Delta times V acceleration. Was I not supposed to be? Was I not supposed to do HV?
All right. So now when I hit play,
No, he still did
this is
HV.
out. Sometimes it can be buggy. Let's see if I can now move. All right. So now you can see when I move around my mouse, not perfect, but it is working slightly.
Okay. Unterminated string. Wait. This might have something to do with it. It's not doing what I want it to do, though. Oh, come on! Why do you hate me? No. Why is it doing that? Now the whole thing's screwed up. Alright. Good node. That M ain't supposed to be there neither. So get node V. Get node. Wait. Yeah. Right? Now I'm all sorts of confused. Oh, okay, yeah. Dot rotation X. Okay, what did I do next? Or what did I do wrong? V dot rotation dot X doesn't have an open. Man, I'm all sorts of screwed up. You had to mess it up. Okay, get node hv.rotation.x equals lerp get node v dot rotation x cam root v things be messing up on me. Yeah, does it even need that? Wait, did I do it? Okay. Well, if it didn't keep trying to delete as I was trying to edit that one part, I probably wouldn't be as near as confused. Now, could you be a good thing, E? Now, what are we supposed to see exactly?
Rotate it to cam root h.
Because he said, or he, I don't know. Whoa. Wait, what? That's what I mean. Everything's working for me totally differently than it is him, and I keep having to figure out the problem. Invalid access to property or key rotation on a base object of type null instance. The hell does that mean? Hey, I might not be here long, not feeling great today. Hey, Twig. Hopefully you feel better soon. I don't know, I'm already getting frustrated with it, so I don't know how long I'll be doing this. He's still doing differently than what it's doing in here. And now my guy is totally fucked. Wait, did I put in player or cam root? Which one is this? No, it's cam root, so it's right? Well, wait, maybe I gotta play it on this. That would make sense. Did I screw that up? No, he's still broke. An invalid access to property or key rotation on a base object or type null instance. What does it even mean? Hold up. No? Method function failed. Returning scene made node. Okay. I lost my script. Where the hell did it go? Oh. Right. Okay, so let's copy that. Take that off. So what does that mean? Okay. Don't ask me, I've got no idea about much of anything at the moment. Learning code is so much fun. I'm trying to keep up with it so I don't forget anything and I can be consistent and maybe actually get stuff done. But it's frustrating because I like follow him step by step. Does it need to be somewhere else in the code? Because it's supposed to be right. No, that's the other one. So, our. What about? Ooh, it's staying there, right? Thank God. Okay, now let's try paste. Nope, still broke it. So for whatever reason, that is not working. Oh, once I got all the other stuff in, that actually was able to go to this without ruining it. But why? I'm so confused. Nah, but still broke it. Can't even move him now. Interesting. Interesting. No. Oh, what did I do? I can't see. Oh, there we go. And then it's back again. Weird. So weird. It's a that is kind of confusing. Okay. Well, we might skip that part. Because it's not doing what he wants it, or it's not doing what it's doing for him. But I was able to put all this up to here finally. I think my coding's possessed. It don't like me.
Here we go. Over a time of delta times h acceleration. I think I spelled delta wrong there, so delta. Here we go. All right, now that that's right, now what I want to do is I want to actually copy paste this, and now I'll do the same thing for the v, but obviously the rotation for this will be on the x-axis, because if I'm rotating the vertical, I want to be doing the x-axis. All right, so here I'm going to do the same thing. So instead of the h rotation, I want the v rotation. of course here I want the X rotation, then here I want the V, and then the V acceleration.
Maybe I should learn the cameras later.
So now when I hit play, let's just test this out. Sometimes
and
let's see
just keep trying to work on the player.
Alright, so now you can see when I move around my mouse, not perfect, but it is working slightly.
So he's somehow able to scroll it around.
As this doesn't seem to be working out.
Okay. It's very confusing. Now he has the script, which actually helps him move. How do you make him third person? Besides, well, it just like moves him. I think I'm gonna need to take some classes. That's all I can do with him so far. Does he have... Okay, that's camera controller, which we suck at the moment. We added the player. Player movement. Why are you jumping all around anyways?
The next part to see how we can do that. Right,
Okay.
So get started with our...
So glad he, like, tag isn't the right word, but like, whatever it's called, to where I can find it. Words are hard.
Player. What we're gonna do is head over to the script. I'm just gonna stop the game here. And
Okay, 1 second. Am I on the play? I am on the player. Alright.
this may seem annoying, but what we're gonna
You
do
think?
is
Oh god.
we're gonna start everything completely from scratch.
Why do you do that? You like add something, then you delete it, then you add it, then you delete it. No wonder I'm so freaking confused. And yes, you're right. Very annoying. I'm gonna break my game again. Okay. So all the way up here. Let's copy that. Because I'm afraid of what he's going to do next.
First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start with all the variables that we'll be adding.
Actually, I think a lot of that came by itself when I turned him to character 3D, now that I think of it. But like, he has done that a lot though.
Eventually, and hopefully some of these will make sense right now, and eventually some of them might not right now, but some eventually they will make sense as we actually start to use them. So let's just start with all the...
Why this is not a monster print twice? What? Why this is not a monster print twice? The monster, the floor, the player.
Forces.
Okay.
So the first thing on the forces is we'll export a few variables. First, we'll export a variable called gravity. This will be a float equal to 9.8.
Okay. Export var gravity equals float. No. What? Yeah. Confusing my own dang self now. 9.8. Okay. That went through.
Next, we'll export our jump force. This will be an integer equal to 9.
Okay. At export jump force. Integer equals 9. I'll learn the integer means number, so that makes sense. What did I do wrong? Oh. I mean, that's a good reason to get mad at me. My bad.
We'll export a walk speed. This will be an int equal to 3.
So what, are we adding his animations then? Is that what we're doing? You think when they freaking came with the character, you won't have to go through all this. But what do I know? Walk speed integer equals 3. Alright.
And lastly, we'll have a run speed, as eventually we want to create a shift hold, right, where we can actually go from walking to running. So this will be our speed that we actually run at. Now this will probably have to be greater than 3, so in my case, I'm going to do...
Okay. Variable run speed integer equals 10. I didn't like that one. What did I do wrong? Export. See what else he does.
Which may seem like a lot, but you'll...
Ha! Finally. One that doesn't work for him doesn't work for me too. Honestly, if you want to take classes, then I suggest going to Skillshare. Nor Mainstream Academy for now. Oh, well, yeah, I didn't know about Skillshare, but it looks like you got to pay to even get into it. Because I was going to take some classes off of these. I don't know. I can't. There's like a game one, and then there's a college one, and all of a sudden I've gone dumb. I can't remember them at all. And until I get money, I'm still gonna try to learn on my own, but what was the name of it? And there's Skillshare. Udemy, that was one. And then there was not GameU. Never even heard of that. I can't remember the other one though. At the top of my head. And Skillshare, I'm not exactly sure how it works. If you have to pay to be there and then pay for the class, not really sure. Yeah, membership. Oh, so if you get a membership, then you will be able to watch anything? Because I wasn't taking like a bunch of courses. I can pay for one course at a time. And there's a couple that's like $80 and under. But for this, it kind of looks like you pay for a membership and then you can watch whatever. I mean, if that's the case, then I can't remember where to look at the memberships. Because I've been in it once. Because I have actually looked into this. They have a bunch of crap on here. It's pretty cool. Sign up. I just want to know about your memberships. Could you just tell me without me having to go through a bunch of bullcrap sessions? No. You're not gonna tell me now, are you? Why do you hate me? Team plans. I can't remember how to get there now. Whoa. Okay. Doesn't say. Yes. I didn't know that. I might go in like I'm signing up to it later to find out how much the memberships are, because I kind of forgot. And if that's the case, then that would be cool. Depending on the price, really. Especially if it's a month. Okay. So, yeah, I was very excited over this part. Seems weird, but through this whole thing, I've got the red and his went fine, and it was irritating me. Okay.
You'll see notice, or you'll notice later, that it doesn't actually impact it that much.
There's... What the? I was so excited too. Now I got problems and he don't. What did you do?
You'll kind of play around with the values yourself, hopefully. Next, we're going to create a few animation nodes. So these are going to be the animation node names.
What did you do, sir? I need to know. Animation node names. But first, I need to figure out why we're struggling up here. The heck? Error at 7 and 13. Expected end of statement. What? Oh. Ha. Jesus. Yeah, I'm not going to do it in stream. Seems like a bad idea. I'll mess around with it more later. But I have had my eye on it for a minute.
So what we'll do here is we'll say variable idle node name, which is a string.
Okay. Variable, idle. The player thing makes more sense to me than the camera. I think the camera is going to take me a hot minute to understand. But yeah. Name equals string. We're a cat now.
Will be equal to idle.
Equal to idle.
And what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to duplicate this a few times.
Jesus. Okay. That never works for me, though. Also. Wait. I didn't. No. What? Idle node name string equals idle. But again, mine is red and his is not. Whoops. That's not ever good. Oh, I don't like that. Huh.
And now I'll just change the name of these. This one will be walk, this one will be run, this one will be jump.
Yeah, mine ain't working like that. It just like, once you start messing with it, it just deletes the whole dang word. Not sure how to fix that. So I'm gonna have to type it all in. And I will figure out. Okay, var walk node name string equals. I'll keep going.
This one will be attack 1, and this one will be death. Now for each of these, we'll say death.
Okay, so you're gonna. Alright. Walk. Var run node name string equals run. They're all mad. Whoops. Whoops. There's jump. Var. Attack. 1. Whoops. Crap. No, that's right. var def node name equals string what did I do? Didn't mean to do that. This was death. It's very mad at me right now, so
kind of give it the corresponding one. So walk here. This one will be run. This will be jump. And attack 1. Now you'll see what these kind of are for a little later, but essentially they just represent the name of the animation that we'll be playing for each corresponding node. Alright, so next we'll...
Hold up. So you didn't do anything spectacular. Wait, what? Y'all seen that it was all red, right? Am I losing my mind? Now death is the only one that's still red. Oh, it needs... that might help. Oh, now it's really extra. It was just fine a second ago. Now it's all red again. It was just fine. Could not find type string in the current scope. Unterminated string. Does this thing just like to fuck with me, or... confused.
Create some variables, and these variables will be called, or for, our state machine condition. The state machine conditions.
Okay. What? What are you doing? Lovely. Could you get with the program, please? Okay. State machine conditions. But first, I think I need to figure out why death is being such an asshole. What about die? Could not find type string in the current scope. Unterminated string. I'm looking that up. Unterminated string. You gotta be kidding me. Parse error. When having a comment as a no. Pass is last command in a script file, this error appears. Escape the internet quotes or use a different type of quote to enclose the string. So you could skip well, that didn't work. And I don't know why it does that neither. That's gonna drive me nuts. Okay. Okay. Here's some information about killing a player. To kill a player, you can add an area 3D node, name it mob detector, and then add a collision shape 3D node as a child. Assign a cylinder shape. That's not what I'm trying to do. Death string G script godot. I don't know how to make a "you died" text appear when your health. He just needs death, man. Trying to make a death message. Need help with making a death message. The way I want to do it is have death text hidden. When you enter an area 2D, it will be visible. This game resets on death. Like sense knows var deaths. This cheat sheet is meant to be a handy reference for both beginners and experienced GG script users. So whatever you're just starting out or looking to review up on your GG script knowledge, this cheat sheet will be your go-to resource. That's not very helpful. This isn't making a whole lot of sense to me. Like, it makes sense, but it doesn't make sense. Maybe he won't die. As of right now. But then it doesn't like that. So confused. Why? does that fix the rest of them, but screws this one up. And then when you put that, it screws them all up. Oh my goodness. Let's take a video of it real quick. Maybe I can get some help somewhere. I don't know, because then I need more hands. Well, maybe we'll do photos. That'll work. I didn't mean to do that. Stop that. Oh, I know how to do this. I just thought of it. Okay, I'm gonna head out. I'm sorry I can't stick around, but I really need to lay down. That's okay. I think I'm about to be done anyways if I can't figure this crap out. I may have some research to do. Get some rest. Hopefully you feel better soon. This is confusing. I'm so confused. You gotta be kidding me. We're finally getting somewhere, and I didn't get very far. Well, since nobody's here, I'm just gonna ask somebody somewhere. Do. I don't even know. I hope you figure out what's confusing you. Get some rest yourself. Thank you. And hopefully I figured it out too. Alright. I'm playing Discord. Maybe someone can help me if I don't figure out by then. Alright. This one literally doesn't make any sense to me. I might have to do a bunch of research on it. See if anyone can help me, because what if you back that? No. Oh boy. Turned green. That's probably not what it wants. Oh crap. That's why. You need... This is so confusing to me. So confused. Now this is indents. Could not find type string in the current scope. Put capital S. Is that my problem? String. String. what did I do? Oh, that got to be... Jesus. Run. Equal. Idle. And then this is equal depth. Oh my god, that did it. I can't believe that was my problem. Okay, well, at least we figured that out. It was a capital S. Picky. Okay, glad we got that figured out. I'm a little dyslexic. I didn't realize it was a capital S.
So what this will look like is attacking, and this will be a boolean. We'll also...
Okay, we can move on now. That was driving me nuts. Let me do that. Well, okay. Var is attacking equals bool. Okay. Go on.
We also have a variable. Well, let's just duplicate this for now. 4 times. I'll have another one called is walking.
I'm not even gonna try because mine don't like to work that way. Is walking. Is that a bool too?
This will tell us if we're walking or not. We'll have another one for is running.
Is running. And then what's the other one? Deading? No, it's not even a word. Is dying. Okay. Well, yeah. Deading's kind of stupid, I'm guessing. Var is dying. Ha! We got it.
Each of these variables are going to be true or false variables that will essentially tell us if we're dying or not, if we're running or not, if we're walking or not, and if we're attacking or not. Right? So next up, what we'll do is we'll add some physics values.
Physics of values. Physics values. Okay.
So this will be, the first one we'll have is direction, which will be a vector 3. Next, we'll...
Whatever that means, you're not gonna tell me, are you? Var direction vector 3. What did I do? Oh, it worked. Okay. It just took it a minute. Alrighty then.
We'll have a horizontal velocity This will be a vector 3.
Var horizontal velocity. No. T equals vector 3.
Next, we'll have an aim turn, and this will be a float. This will allow us to aim
Var aim turn float.
For our turn. Next, we'll have a movement, something called movement, which will be a vector 3.
Var movement. Whoops. No. It's not. Okay. I'm gonna say.
Next, we'll have vertical velocity, like so, and this will be a vector 3.
Alright. Var. You said vertical, right? Or vertical. Is that even? Did you misspell that?
Next, we'll create a variable.
No. I thought you said vertical. You must have meant vertical. Vertical. Velocity. Vector 3. It worked, so.
Movement speed. This will be an int. And left.
Okay. Var movement speed int.
Not lastly, we have two more. We have an angular acceleration. This will be an int.
Okay. Var angular acceleration int. Gotcha. Okay.
And next we'll have acceleration for actual movement will also be an int. And lastly, we'll say variable. There we go. Just hit, and this will be a boolean.
Yeah, that's what I meant. I just put boo. Like, you figure it out, code.
This is going to be for a little later in our series, but this will allow us to detect if I just got hit or not. So we'll kind of see what that's for much later, but don't worry too much about it just now. Next, I'm going to load, or on-ready load, my cam root, or my cam rotation, into as a variable, or as a node. And we'll do that by saying get node cam root h.
We're back on the cam root. Well, we got a lot of stuff into him now. Alright. Already, I'm kind of afraid to put that in there.
I want to get access to the horizontal rotation of my node, and I do that by saying get node rotation cam rot h, and this will allow me to just get access to the node much quicker. All right. Next.
Let's make sure he still works. Don't break my game. Awesome. But he doesn't move now. And I was so excited that he could do that. Okay. Well, on the plus side, at least we didn't break him. So, I will get brave and put this camera thing in here. Let's see what happens. Get node. Get node. Totally forgot what I was doing for a second. Get node. Cam root. H. Oh, that wasn't supposed to go like that. Camera H equals get node cam root H. Are you kidding me? Cam root H. Good lord. I don't like that.
Next, what I want to do is I want to add a red.
That says Camerot though. Didn't like that. Not that it really matters to me since it isn't quite working. But huh. Okay. Camera it is. But now I gotta make sure it didn't break my game. Okay. Well. Okay. And then we got this function ready thing again. What's after player movement? Just out of curiosity. I can't look, can I? Player animation. Okay. Okay, so
And for now, I'll just pass. Then I also want...
seriously? Okay. It's easy enough. Function. Ready. No! Whoops. There we go. Why would you, if you're gonna pass it, why would you even put that there anyway? Confused. Now we're on 41. Okay.
Want to add a physics process function.
Oh no. Okay, function. Physics. Process. Delta. Float. A little arrow thingamabob. Void. I don't like that. Okay.
This will allow me to actually implement a lot of the physics process. Now, in between this, I'm
pass.
Going to add an input event.
Wait, what?
And this will allow me to, well, input.
What did you just do, sir? Okay. So then what? We put that there, and then up here. Why didn't you do that first? And put event. And put event. Okay. And I swear he put pass right here. I did that, but I still don't like this. Okay, let's see what he does.
Event, just as we did in our...
Ah! What? What just happened? It just literally got rid of... Oh no. Here we are. There's 43. Gotcha. And then, what are you trying to put here?
Camera rotation controller. Now in here is where we'll actually rotate our aim turn. So here I'm going to say if event is input event.
I think after this, I'm done. You're making my brain hurt. Whoops. If event is input event.
Here's how to turbo
Seriously?
IT operation. Go to Atera.com, the IT management platform powered by Action.
Skip.
Yeah, so let's get started with our grid map. Now our grid map is this.
It don't like that though. It don't like that. Oh, now I don't like that. Really? Oh my god. Okay, expected indented block after function declaration. Alright. Well, I think I'm going to end this one here. And because I'm kind of like frustrated with this. Like, why? He didn't even say why he put that there. Did he put anything after input event? He went too fast. I mean, the rest works. Anyways, it helps my brain process anyways if I like don't do tons at one time. I got this far. Now I gotta figure out this part. So I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for visiting me and keeping me company.